My name is Adekunle Toby Robert, the CEO of Man and Queens, Manicure structures and support, and also gain access to updating and equipping myself with better technologies to ease my work. Yay! That video you just watched now shows where it all started from, and I am happy to tell you I was privileged to have won the 1 million grand prize of the Building and Equivalent Foundation, and I got the mail. Okay, the mail says that the payment has been made for the equipment, and I am here to tell you that the unboxing video of the equipment is here. Stay tuned. Here is the mail showing that the payment has been made. I'm so excited. Who is excited with me? The next day I went to pick my equipment. I called the man and told him, have we got the payment? And he confirmed he's got the payment. So I picked up my equipment one after the other. Oh, they are so heavy to carry. I had to call people from the environment to help out in carrying this equipment. I have my wood lats. The drip press have been carried before. Now I'm confirming the equipment. I have to be sure I will give beans for rice. So I have to be sure that my equipment are actually what I requested for. I'm unboxing one of the equipment that I got. This is the hydraulic pipe bending machine. It was one of the things that I filled in for that I wanted, and I'm so glad that I have it today. So I'll be unboxing it today, setting it up and showing the video. Thank you. So I started putting A plus B together, and then I decided to check the manual. I don't know. I had to drop the manual, maybe because I'm wearing yellow and the equipment is yellow. Everything just everything just scatter my head. So, I put it together and I tested it. I saw it was working so fine. I was so excited. I was just pressing it and pressing it like I'm brick. Watch out, watch out. Let me show you something. We are... And that's it. The first way is set. Thank you so much, Building and Equivalent Foundation, once again. These are the equipment I got. Building and Equivalent Foundation made this possible. This is a hydraulic pipe bender, the pillar drip press, and the wood lat. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for the support. Thank you for always being there. Thank you, Building and Equivalent Foundation. Thank you for making this possible. And we all say
thank you so much.
Building and Equivalent Foundation, thank you so much once again. You made this possible. God bless.